The world faces a multitude of geographical issues, including climate change, natural disasters, biodiversity loss, and deforestation. The urgency for sustainable practices has never been greater, especially in developing countries like Nigeria. Professor Saliu Musa has dedicated many years to researching and addressing these environmental challenges. The 19th Inaugural Lecture at the Federal University Lokoja provided him with a valuable platform to share his findings with the academic community and key stakeholders in Kogi State.
His work has not only advanced our understanding of geography and environmental studies, but has also inspired countless students and colleagues. Today, as he stands before us to deliver this inaugural lecture, we celebrate his contributions and his unwavering commitment to the pursuit of knowledge.
In his lecture titled Geography and Sustainability, Unraveling the Myths, Reality and Practicality, Professor Musa explored contemporary sustainability issues. He advocated for the adoption of renewable energy, sustainable urban planning and design, and the promotion of sustainable agriculture. He emphasized that a thorough understanding of geography is crucial for tackling today's environmental problems.
Sustainability is the thing, because we want to be able to survive in this, our generation, and survive such that our survival will not jeopardize the survival of the coming generations. And so, for this to happen, it is an intricate relationship that must be explored between geography and sustainability.
The professor of geography and environmental studies called for a holistic approach to sustainability challenges in society and emphasized the need for attention to the subject of geography. He debunked myths about the subject and urged policymakers to revert to the status quo by reintroducing geography as a school subject for both sciences and humanities in all Nigerian primary and secondary schools.
Bring back geography into the curriculum of education in Nigeria, and many of the people that have gone to school will understand their environment. People will not clear their houses and go and throw the refuse in the waterways.
If I have my way, I would recommend the duplication of this public lecture for policymakers in the country.
With the inaugural lecture now over, the professor adds another well-deserved feather to his cap.
As a way of showing you appreciation as the 19th professor presenter in the university's inaugural lecture series, on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, congratulations.
It's the joy of our kingdom. In fact, it's our pride. We have been following his developments, and for me, this is an icing on the cake.
Environmental challenges persist, and the 19th Inaugural Lecture offers a wealth of timely solutions. Jonathan Majali, NTA News.